Welcome to this myofascial yoga training. I'm Carol. This training focuses on myofascial release and yin yoga, which are my passion to be sharing with you over these 2 days. But I have pulled out the essence of the material and condensed into 2 days to make it really practical so you can extract the knowledge and apply it to yourself and to your students straight away. I have broken down the 2 days. So day 1 will be focusing on my myofascial yoga for the upper body, and day 2 will be focusing on the lower body. We'll be covering the fascia anatomy and science, communication and health, fascia bouncing and skin rolling, myofascial release theory and practices, including facial fascial release, and also we'll learn about the myofascial lines, MyoYin, and myofascial yoga teaching and sequencing. So you'll really have a lot of information by the end of these 2 days to assimilate. I hope you enjoy these 2 days of training together.